Hello YouTube. I was working on this GE washer the other day. It wouldn't spin or agitate. There's the model number. And it was kind of crusty underneath. And I ended up resetting the mode shifter connection. I think I was getting a number 5 error. But resetting the mode shifter took care of the problem. So you might try that if you get a number 5 error or it doesn't want to spin or agitate. Bye.